What's up mga ka-AMU? Panibagong araw, panibagong unboxing na naman ang ating gagawin. Ngayong araw, i-unbox natin ang SanDisk Ultra SDD3 32GB OTG or Dual U-Disc M3.0 Black Edition and Gold Edition exclusive. So, bubble wrap. So, yung kulay na pinili ko is black. So, basahin muna natin ang product details. Product details of SanDisk Ultra SDD 364GB 32GB. So, yung case natin is 32GB OTG Dual USB Drive M3.0 Gold Edition. Yung ito black, yung pinili ko exclusive model. Capacity is 32GB. Actual usable storage less. Interface micro USB and USB 3.0 connectors. Read speed up to 130 MBs. Operational temperature 32 degree 95 degree Fahrenheit, negative 95 degree Fahrenheit, 0 degree, negative 35 degree Celsius. Storage temperature 14 degree, negative 158 degree Fahrenheit, negative 10 degree, negative 70 degree Celsius. PC or Mac computer compatibility, Windows Vista 7, 8, 10, Mac OS 10, version 10.6 and higher. Mobile device compatibility, automatically detected when connected to an OTG enabled smartphone or tablet. Requires Android smartphone or tablet with on-the-go OTG compatibility. All data storage are not exact in stated capacity. All electronic storage has hidden partitions for its functions tools. All these hidden partitions will not be shown in Windows Explorer, and disk management does not give an option to browse contents of these partitions. Also, the binary measurement is different and not exact for unit stated capacity. You may research for it for more info. Based on internal testing, performance may be lower depending on host device, interface, usage conditions, and other factors. So what's in the back is 1 times SanDisk Ultra SDD3 64GB 32GB OTG Dual USB Drive M3.0 Gold Edition or Black Edition exclusive model.